Sorrento, a picturesque town nestled along the breathtaking Amalfi Coast in southern Italy, offers an enchanting blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical charm, making it an ideal destination for travelers seeking a taste of la dolce vita. With its stunning views of the Gulf of Naples, dramatic cliffs, and fragrant lemon groves, Sorrento captivates visitors with its undeniable allure. One of the most iconic experiences in Sorrento is taking leisurely strolls along the narrow, winding streets of the historic city center. Here, you can immerse yourself in the ambience of this charming coastal town, filled with quaint shops, inviting cafes, and artisanal boutiques. Be sure to sample the region's famous limoncello liqueur, crafted from locally grown lemons, as you explore. For history enthusiasts, Sorrento's rich past beckons exploration. The Corale Museum, housed in a beautiful villa, showcases a remarkable collection of Neapolitan art and artifacts spanning centuries. Additionally, the town boasts ancient Roman ruins, including the Villa Palio and the Romanesque Basilica of Sant'Antonino, offering glimpses into its storied past. Nature lovers will find solace in Sorrento's stunning surroundings. A visit to the nearby Sorrentine Peninsula will reward you with panoramic views of the Amalfi Coast and the serene tranquility of the Mediterranean Sea. Hiking enthusiasts can embark on the famous Path of the Gods, a breathtaking trail that winds its way through lush landscapes, providing unparalleled vistas of the coastline. No trip to Sorrento would be complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. The town's gastronomic scene is a testament to the region's culinary prowess. Savor freshly caught seafood, handcrafted pasta dishes, and tantalizing Neapolitan pizzas in the local trattorias and osterias that line the streets. Don't forget to try the signature dish, gnocchi alla Sorrentina, a mouth-watering potato dumpling dish smothered in tomato sauce and melted mozzarella cheese. When it comes to relaxation and recreation, Sorrento offers idyllic beaches and hidden coves that beckon sunbathers and swimmers. Bask in the Mediterranean sun at Marina Grande or escape the crowds at the secluded Marina del Cantone. For those seeking day trips, Sorrento serves as an excellent launching point for exploring the wider region. You can easily access the historic ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum, both buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79. Additionally, boat tours to the captivating islands of Capri and Ischia are readily available from Sorrento's marina, allowing you to explore their unique charm. Sorrento encapsulates the essence of Italian coastal living, offering a delightful mix of history, culture, natural beauty, and culinary delights. Whether you're wandering its charming streets, savoring local delicacies, or simply soaking in the stunning views, Sorrento promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of southern Italy's enchantment.